Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have access and a backup of the mailbox. This prevents accidental data loss. Open your mail client or webmail and navigate straight to the archive folder so you work in place. Once there, use the search bar to locate the specific mail by sender, date range, or keyword. This narrows results fast. Make sure to sort by date if many hits appear, and flag the exact messages you plan to remove before taking the next step. You now select items efficiently, use shift-click for ranges or bulk select checkboxes, and apply filters to catch similar messages. Decide whether to delete permanently, move to inbox for review, or export messages to an external file before removing. Exporting gives you a restore point. Once actions are chosen, confirm the command. Many systems show a confirmation dialog. After deletion, remember to empty the archive's trash or deleted items folder to complete removal and free storage. You finish by verifying that the messages no longer appear in archive and running a quick search to confirm. If you exported before removing, restore from that file. Otherwise, check your backup or recovery tools promptly. If changes don't show on other devices, make sure sync is enabled and force a manual sync. Sometimes servers take time to propagate. One key troubleshooting tip: clear local cache or sign out and back in to refresh server state if removal seems stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.